brackets plus 3 over x to the 9 plus 1 over x to the 11 as x approaches positive. Okay. Ano mangyayari dito? It will go to 0. This 1, it will 0, this 1, 0. So ano matitira na sa atin? What is the limit of x to the 11 as x approaches positive infinity? This will be. So, meron ko napakalaking number kung yung 11 power niya, it will get there. Positive infinity times ito ay 2 na lang. So you'll get there. Positive infinity. So take isang example class ang f of x mo. Pag tinomen yung as x approaches positive infinity, lumalang siya. Okay? And last example. So actually na class, lahat ng polynomial, no, hindi lahat ng polynomial. Class rem, pag true or false, is the limit of polynomial as x approaches positive infinity. It's always positive infinity. Hindi. Kasi, tanda yung polynomial dito. Limit na 5 as x approaches positive infinity. Polynomial din ang constant. X to the 0 yung mga yan. Ang sagot dito. 5. So, hindi sila positive. Pero pag sinabi namin non-constant, yeah, it will always go to infinity. Okay. Limit, last one. Limit of sine theta as theta approaches positive infinity. Okay, that's last one. Now, what? Paano kaya ito? Well, when you're dealing with trigonometric functions, so mga ganyan, it's always best to visualize them. So, ano yung itsura niya? Alam natin yung itsura ng sine, diba? Periodic siya. So, yung sine mo, as x becomes large, fluctuate siya. Mamaya pupunta sa 1, mamaya pupunta sa 0, mamaya pupunta sa negative 1, pupunta sa 0, pupunta sa 1, pupunta sa 0, pupunta sa negative 1. Eventually, habang malaking number mo, hindi mo maintindihan kung mag-0 ba siya, mag-1, mag-0, mag-5, mag-square root of 2 over 2, or so on. So, ang sagot dito ay, what is the limit of sine theta? Theta goes to 2 is this? Plus 5 is this. Okay. So, that's it. Mag-i-enlist na ngayon na siya ninyo. Sige, give me out here. And after this, we now, let's have our 10 minutes. Then we now go to our next lesson. Sales. Ikaw yung really, sa'yo ito, nakita ka yung
Ay, camera.